This is the Wake and Bake Podcast. I'm Philly Phil. This is episode 257. The time is 8:33, and it's Thirsty Thursday. It's a gin day. Thirsty Thursday. Thong Thursday. Ladies, send those booty pics. I've waited all week. Flood my inbox with ass shots. 'Cause it's Thong Thursday. This morning's Wake and Bake is brought to you by The Bucks. Brought to you by Starbucks. The only coffee shop Philly Phil visits. The only coffee shop Philly Phil goes to. Workout! Today's workout is legs. It's a leg day. Pull out the Tour de France bike. Pull out, hop on the Stairmaster, the treadmill, do the squats. All leg exercises today. Work out them calf muscles. 'Cause it's leg day. Today's workout is legs and cardio. Did you lift today? Comedy! The comedy scene tonight. We've got St. Clair Social at 8. 565 is live at 7. And Antonio's Pizza at 7. Stock news. The Dow is red. Everything's in the red. Apple is red at $194. Gold is in the red at $17. Nike's red at $121. Amazon's in the red at $152. Tesla's red at $247. The weather today is going to be a high of 42. The low today is going to be a low of 28. It's going to be cloudy. Today's news articles. Today's top story. You see here, brother. That's a story that's on top. Two men accused of assault at Seven Springs Mountain Resort. Two men have been accused of assault at Seven Springs. A fire in Monroeville destroys home. Monroeville fire destroys home. Cranberry Township is found to be the safest town in the United States. Cranberry Township is top 10 safest townships in the United States. Philadelphia news helicopter collides, crashes. Philadelphia news helicopter crashes in New Jersey forest, killing the pilot and photographer. Philadelphia news helicopter crash kills pilot and cameraman. Pittsburgh's first female assistant police chief has died at 97. The first female police chief of Pittsburgh has died at 97. Refreshing. You see here, this part of the show is called Quiet Time, brother. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Inhale. Exhale. Sexhale. Last hits. Last thoughts. I should have wrote some more fucking articles down. That's the first thought of this morning. Two men accused of assault at Seven Springs. Goddamn, nigga, Seven Springs just opened. Never go anywhere on opening day. Wait a couple fucking weeks for the riffraff to get sorted out. Cause goddamn, the shit just opened. Fire in Monroeville. A fucking home is destroyed. It's gonna be a shitty Christmas this year. Cranberry Township is top 10. Congratulations for them. but don't move here. We have no vacancies, no immigrants. We don't want you. Stay where you at. Philadelphia news helicopter crash. That's crazy because yesterday I was looking at the fucking Channel 11 helicopter fly by. And I was like, yo, news helicopters are probably like the safest fucking shits to fly in. Them bitches probably don't never crash. They go to the fucking news and then they fly back. And then just as soon as I had that thought, a motherfucker crashes. It's crazy. We are living in a simulation. This shit is not real. Pittsburgh's first female assistant police chief. It's like you could have, she didn't even make it to the big leagues. You could have became the actual police chief. Number 2 is the first loser. But that's it. The weed is cleared. My lungs, shit. The weed is out. My lungs are clear. 2 men assaulted at Seven Springs. At Seven Springs and got hit with a 7-piece combo. Fire destroyed the home out in Monroeville. Nobody calls it Monvo. Cranberry's the nicest spot. I'm about to go there and rob niggas. Where's my ski mask? I'm about to graffiti and bring the property value down. I'll be right back. Philadelphia news helicopter took the plunge. Pittsburgh's first assistant police chief. I feel like she should have tried harder to become the actual police chief. But women, am I right? This is the Wake and Bake Podcast. I'm Philly Phil. This is episode 257.